Struggling to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails that actually get clicks? In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful AI tools that can help you design viral quality thumbnails in minutes, even if you have zero design skills. First is Canva, one of the most popular design tools in the world. Canva now uses AI features like magic design and background remover, making thumbnail creation super fast. You can simply choose a YouTube thumbnail template, type your idea, and Canva instantly generates professional-looking designs. It's perfect for beginners because everything is drag and drop, and you don't need any editing experience. Second is Ideogram AI. This tool is a game changer for text-based thumbnails. Unlike many AI image tools, Ideogram is really good at generating clean and readable text inside images. So if you want bold thumbnail text like Crypto Secret or AI Hacks 2026, Ideogram creates stunning visuals that look like high-end YouTube thumbnails. It's perfect for faceless channels and viral style content. Third is Leonardo AI, one of the most powerful AI image generators right now. It gives you high-quality, cinematic-style images that can make your thumbnails stand out instantly. You can create custom characters, futuristic designs, gaming-style visuals, or even realistic faces for click-worthy thumbnails. If you want next-level YouTube branding, Leonardo AI is a must-use tool. So these are the top 3 AI tools for making viral thumbnails: Canva, Ideogram, and Leonardo AI. If you want more AI tools and digital product strategies, make sure to subscribe to Digital Product Hustle and comment below which tool you're going to try first.